Hey guys, what's up? In this episode I'm going to show you how to replace a neck seal on a dry suit in two different ways.
The first technique is the bucket technique. Alright, this is an interior job, so it doesn't matter much. Everything is prepared and ready to be glued on. Put everything into place. You may have noticed that the front side won't stick in its place, so that's the first part we want to be gluing. Right. Let's get it up as good as possible. And gently move towards the edges. Same here. That's it.
Alright, this is for the second technique. Try to see a center line. This. Let the whole thing drop through the middle. See, I can work nicely towards the edges here. Way easier than using the bucket technique. Takes a little practice, this one, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy. It's important to keep your outer diameter way smaller than it's supposed to be, because you're constantly pulling it in a way. Oh, there you go. Alright, go all the way around to get the picture. Let it dry out for 24 hours and you'll be okay to dive. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode of Repair and Dry Suits.